Hey, how you guys doing? My name is John Manning, your favorite credit expert, and I'm back again with yet another video. If you haven't been here already, welcome. On this channel, we talk about credit, real estate, and business, how to repair and to uh, find financial stability, as well as get more informed about financial products and build your credit. We talk about it all here on this channel. Today, we're going to be talking about something, uh, uh, a account that I use with my clients to help them get right back on track, and I do recommend this to people who are rebuilding their profile. Is easy, quick, easy line of credit to get. No credit check, and they actually give you a $500 credit line of credit by no other than Kickoff. Guys, Kickoff is a fintech company out here, and their main goal is to help you build your lines of credit. And today, what we have is um, what they done. They used to have an installment loan that they provided to you guys, that reported on about two of the three credit bureaus. However, there has been changes to the game, and since then, I applaud Kickoff for adapting to the changes, because now they provide a line of credit for $500 that reports to two out of the three bureaus, guys, and it only costs about $2 a month. You basically select a product and you only have to pay $2 a month. This is how you build good payment history, and it'll help you out on your credit utilization as well, and it will contribute to your payment history and all that good stuff. All right, so it's an easy account to get. You just basically go to kickoff.com, and just the way they have it spelled, KIKOFF.com. Click when you get there, just click on sign up right here, and it'll take you here, and then basically you want to fill out all the information and join Kickoff, guys. And literally, like I said, within 30-45 days they start reporting, and you just pay them $2 a month. No credit check, no credit pull, easy and instant approval, guys. This is the way to go if you're rebuilding your credit profile. So, once again, I'm over and out. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to drop me a comment, as well as you can schedule a consultation with me using the Calendarly link, which I will have below. For any of your credit repair or credit building tips. Stay tuned for next video. Over and out.